Hola amigos, welcome to another our channel. Today we are taking you to the stunning coastal town of Paracas, Peru. Before we dive into the beauty of Paracas, let's talk about why Peru is such an incredible destination for travelers. Peru is a country rich in culture, history, and breathtaking landscapes. From Andes Mountain to the Amazon rainforest, Peru has it all. Our focus today is on Paracas, a hidden gem along the Pacific coast. Vamos a Paracas! Our journey begins in Lima, the capital of Peru. This is a one-day trip. In the early morning, we gathered together and hit the road. It was about 5 a.m. still dark outside. The driving distance is about 150 miles to south. It takes about 4 hours to reach our destination. Driving through scenic landscapes, we make our first stop in town of Lima for a delicious breakfast. This is a popular spot for chicharrón, drawing people from Lima. We grab chicharrón burgers. That's more than enough to fill our stomachs in the morning. Don't miss out on trying chicharrón when you drive down near the area. As we continue south, we are surrounded by the vast beauty of the Pacific Ocean on our right and the expansive desert on our left. Passing through small town and toll stations, we are welcomed by multiple signs making our entry into the Paracas district. Finally, we arrive in Paracas. Paracas is a small desert peninsula that extends into the Pacific Ocean. We stroll around the etched boardwalk. And we decided to take a boat tour of the famous Ballestas Islands. There are quite a lot of tourists waiting for the next boat. We wait about 30 minutes before getting on board. Each passenger receives a life jacket for safety. Now our boat starts heading to Ballestas Islands. We spot something, a dolphin swimming. A fisherman waves his hands from afar, wanting to show us something. Our boat goes closer to the fisherman's boat. He is holding 2 eels. What an entertainment! Our boat continues sailing around the islands. Many sea lions are lying on the rocks. The color of sea lions and the rocks is very similar, making it hard to count them until we get closer. We see a male sea lion on a small island, looking at our tour boat. The female sea lion beside him must be his favorite. As our boat continues sailing around the islands, it becomes evident that these rocky outcrops are not only a sanctuary for sea lions, but also home to a diverse range of marine life. Among the sea lions lounging on the rocks, we spot graceful seagulls soaring overhead, and vibrant red crabs scattering along the shorelines. The unique geological formations, including rugged rocky structures and arch-shaped islands, add to the mesmerizing beauty of the Ballestas Islands. While we marvel at the natural wonders around us, I'd love to hear about your own experiences visiting the Ballestas Islands, Paracas. Have you encountered any memorable moment of fascinating wildlife sightings? Share your stories in the comments, and let's inspire each other to explore these incredible destinations. The final stop is to see El Candelabra, a 180 meters tall geoglyph etched into the face of the Paracas Peninsula. It's similar to the Nazca lines and was created around 200 BCE. Paracas Peninsula is the boundary of Paracas with the National Reserve, a marine reserve along the coastline. This is designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. After the boat tour, we are hungry. On our way back to Lima, we decided to stop for some Peruvian seafood in the little town called San Andres, just next to Paracas. Peru is renowned for its seafood dishes with ceviche. Ceviche, a refreshing dish made with fresh raw fish marinated in citrus juice and seasoned with onions, cilantro, and chili peppers. Our journey continues to explore around Pisco, the capital of the Pisco province. Along the scenic coastal line route to Lima, we spot pinkish birds walking along the beach shore, Andean flamingos. How lucky to see that! Our trip was short, but totally worth it, especially getting to see all the amazing marine life. I hope you've enjoyed tagging along with us. When you visit Peru, don't forget to try some ceviche and chicharrón. See you next time. Adios! Thank you for joining us on this journey with Let's Go with Titi and Nao. If you liked our video, please subscribe our channel. See you soon!